Lima ko, nasa area ho siya kasama
Oo.
po ang mismong mga opisyal ng Ateneo de Zamboanga
Alright.
University. Sandali
Kausapin na
lamang ha.
natin si Vice Mayor.
Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Nature Spring Distilled Drinking Water. Trust your instinct. Choose a trusted distilled water brand by doctors.
Okay, nasa linyo natin Vice Mayor Isabel Beng Climaco. Vice Mayor Ma'am Beng, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Double Wang sa Double B.
Magandang hapon, ma'am.
Si Weng po.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Opo.
Sorry,
Gracias.
Sir Mike. We just came from the
Oo.
Ateneo de Zamboanga po.
Mm-mm.
And we will await for the initial investigation of the Philippine National Police
Mm-mm.
because katatapos lang po ng SOCO investigation that
Mm.
processed 2 of the fatalities.
Mm-mm.
And with the city administrator earlier, Sir Celso Lobregat, we've coordinated with Mayor Kimmer Olaso. Dumating din po ang DepEd and I've contacted Secretary Angara
Mm-mm.
to establish safety protocols for schools for all over the Philippines, of which the Sanggunian can adopt. But with going back to the situation that has happened and transpired, we are very saddened at this incident and we pray that the victims will be able, and the families that have been affected, we send them our condolences. And we are here to give our wholehearted support to the school and institution, but hindi lang po sa Ateneo, pati na rin po sa mga ibang eskwelahan dito sa lungsod namin. At on the part of the government, the city government of Zamboanga, we have rolled out our support and down to the barangay, no, nandun din kanina si Cap Jackie. So, ang mangyayari po, hintayin po namin yung full report ng Philippine National Police bukas at magbi-meeting po kami ng umaga para ma-establish na rin yung lines of protocol. Wala pong pasok yung Ateneo de Zamboanga today, and tomorrow will be their day of mourning. And initially, this is what has transpired today.
Ma'am, ano po ang initial naman nakuha niyong information? Una, paano na ipasok? Saan nakalagay yung mga armas?
Ay, yung po ding i-establish po ng Philippine National Police as to the details. I'm very sorry, Ma'am Weng, kasi I cannot, I also do not have that information from the police. Kasi katatapos lang, we focused our time kanina sa SOCO investigation of the bodies. Nag-create up rin po yung Philippine National Police natin ng SITG on this. And it is not proper for us to wait because yung katanungan nyo ay katanungan po rin ng nating lahat, no? Paano
Opo.
na ipasok yon. Siguro a very important information is that ang eskwelahan, after the incidents that transpired in Tacloban, have been conducting their CIMEX, no, yung simulation exercises na inumpisa na nila sa kanilang elementary campus, which is also in the campus of the senior high school. And yung senior high school was preparing for the simulation exercise. Kaya kanila, akala nila that was already the simulation exercise that happened. Pero nagresponde kaagad po yung ang kanilang nurses and medical personnel together with the CDRMO that went to the incident. At ito po nangyari. So sa ngayon, hindi pa rin natin hindi pa yung official investigation ng Philippine National Police kung paano na ipasok yung mga baril sa loob ng campus, given that they have already strengthened their security measures in the school.
Mayor, yung pong, Vice Mayor, yung pong sabi niyong simulation exercise, nakatakda ho siya today din? Or yan
No,
po ay unannounced pa?
The simulation, I think, would be sometime
This week?
September yet. But
Okay.
the elementary department has already conducted their simulation exercises. Kaya pa, nang nangyari yun, they brought the pupils in a safe place kanina. Although ang problem nga lang is that as of now, yung some of the belongings of the pupils, hindi po nila na idala lahat. So aayusin pa po nila with the school on what to do. But immediately the school already implemented the safety
Opo, Vice Mayor. Opo, yung exercise na yon for the active shooter na drill, ganon?
Yes, I think because of the incident that has happened in Tacloban, the school already implemented their simulation exercises
Okay.
for not only active shooter but I
Mm.
think for other
Emergency.
emergency
Oo.
responses.
Okay. Ang mga magulang ho ng mga bata, nakausap na ho ng eskwelahan.
Lalo na po yung suspect, yung batang
Oo.
namaril.
Ano po yon?
Yung mga
Nakausap niyo
magulang.
po yung mga magulang nung
Yes
namaril?
po, nakausap po namin yung mga magulang and that's why the parents also want a thorough investigation and I also would really want to know what has happened, no, because it's something that is very, I think, saddening and it is also something very painful for the parents to experience. And sa ngayon po, they're conducting na po yung thorough examination ng ating pong SOCO.
Yung pong gagawin na yung ilalabas na investigasyon ay talagang may mga kakausapin ng mga pulis as to the paano niya nakuha yung baril, saan niya nakuha, mula ba sa bahay, kasama ho sa mga aabangan natin na ibibigay, pati ho yung motibo na ho, Vice Mayor, by tomorrow.
Yes, I think that lahat po ng mga sinabi nyo ay napakahalaga po para
Yes, oo.
makatanggap po tayo ng proper na evaluation and assessment of what really happened. These are very important questions that you brought out and these matters should really be answered by the investigation proper itself.
Pero maliban po doon, yung mga guro, yung mga ibang estudyante na na-traumatize doon sa pangyayari, ano yung pwedeng gawin po doon ng Zamboanga City Government? Paano sila matutulungan mag-cope,
Well,
Vice Mayor?
Yes, Ma'am Weng, immediately kanina the Ateneo de Zamboanga already had their counseling of the teachers and partly the students, and the DepEd has even brought their own nursing team to establish the first mental health first aid. I myself am a family counselor and a former guidance counselor of the Ateneo de Zamboanga, and we also have the CSWDO head, Ma'am Soki Rojas, on standby also for assistance. So since the school already conducted their initial first aid processing of the teachers and they were talking to some of the students, there have been mental health experts such as Father Joel Liwanag, who I think got his doctoral or masteral studies from the United Kingdom, present earlier and was talking already to the pupils. But nonetheless, this is something that is still in the process of further facilitation for our counseling. This is a very important aspect para po ibalik po yung confidence ng ating mga kabataan at ang ating mga guro. At hindi lang po yan, pati na rin po yung mga magulang. Kami po nakikita natin tong situation na nangyari sa Zamboanga. Dapat tumugon po sa mga safety measures na dapat nating gawin, hindi lang sa lungsod, pati na rin ang tulong ng ating mga magulang at ng ating mga iba't ibang mga private and public government educational institutions as well, down to the college level.
I'm sure doon sa pakikipag-usap ninyo doon sa mga magulang po noong namaril na bata ay napag-usapan bakit na nagawa ito. Kasi sabi ko nga, Ma'am Beng, lumalabas na ang ganda nung karakter ng bata eh. Ang ganda ng standing niya, ang tataas ng grades. Kilala siyang matalino sa buong Ateneo de Zamboanga. So, ano yung pwedeng nagtulak sa kanya? May information daw po na parang bullied yung bata. Totoo ba?
So as of now, I have not got that information, but from the first hand that we have spoken to the parents, Ma'am Weng, exactly as how you describe the student is what exactly the parents expressed. So in the end, when we were bringing the remains to the vehicle, we could not just help but to ask the question why. Bakit niya nagawa yun at ano pong motibo? Kasi sa ngayon, blanco pa rin po yung aming information about that. But we'd really assure the public that through the coordination with the police and the school and the parents itself, would really want to find out what exactly happened, but the assurance that the city government will be working very hard po para ma-establish natin yan, and most importantly, as what you've said, establish what we call the mental health first aids that need to be given. Because I have seen the parents earlier, I myself was able to fetch my granddaughter kanina. Napakahalaga po sa mga nakikinig sa ating ngayong hapon na ito pong insidente na nangyari sa lungsod ng Zamboanga, nawa po'y hindi na po
Sundan.
mangyayari
Oo.
sa ibang
Oo.
paaralan.
Kumusta ho
Marami
lagay
pong
ng...
salamat po
Opo,
sa inyong
Vice.
panahon.
Opo.
I have to go via
Okay.
Mon
Okay,
Dios
okay,
a
sige.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am, we
you po, sir,
understand,
Sige,
ma'am.
Vice.
Thank you, thank you.
Oo. Si Vice Mayor Isabel Climaco ng lungsod ho ng Zamboanga. Abangan
Maraming
natin siguro ang
yes.
pulis para ho talaga
Bukas daw
ma-establish.
magbibigay ng full report ang